Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, December 20, 2023 on our channel. Enex Technologies launches the first gas cooler for CO2 Transcritical Systems. Geodis launches new pharma cross-dock facility in Rodgau. ebm-papst replaces fans in AHUs and refrigerating systems. Panasonic unveils AC Select. Carrier Transicold and Gas announce agreement to advance cold chain development in Costa Rica. ebm-papst brings new testing center into regular operation. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Enex Technologies launches the first gas cooler for CO2 Transcritical Systems. Enex Technologies is proud to announce the launch of its new flat gas cooler, a revolutionary product that offers high performance, energy efficiency, and reliability for CO2 transcritical systems. The CO2 flat gas cooler is designed for outdoor use and can handle cooling capacities from 15 to 900 kilowatts. It features axial fans with EC fan motors, which are compliant with the ERP directive and offer a wide choice of noise level and capacity to exactly match system requirements. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Geodis launches new pharma cross-dock facility in Rodgau. In November, the global logistics service provider Geodis officially put a new 700 square meter temperature-controlled location, with an integrated cooling area in Rodgau, into operation. With this opening, Geodis is pursuing its strategy of expanding and strengthening its global pharmaceutical network. With a temperature-controlled warehouse between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius and the additional cooling area with a temperature range between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius, the new pharma cross-dock offers optimal conditions for the handling and interim storage of pharmaceutical products. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ebm-papst replaces fans in AHUs and refrigerating systems. ebm-papst is carrying out a retrofit to bring the ventilation systems at its German locations up to the latest state-of-the-art, including replacing its existing EC fans. By upgrading 161 systems in all, the company will achieve energy savings totaling around 10%. At the end of 2022, ebm-papst took a close look at its own ventilation systems as part of its sustainability strategy and decided to upgrade them. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Panasonic unveils AC Select. Panasonic Heating and Cooling Solutions has launched AC Select, a new online selection tool designed to streamline the process of choosing and configuring systems from the company's wide range of air-cooled and water-cooled chillers and heat pumps, fan coil units, water source heat pumps, and rooftop units. Designed for HVAC professionals, AC Select offers an efficient and user-friendly tool to help specify the ideal heating and cooling solutions for every need. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Carrier Transicold and Gas announce agreement to advance cold chain development in Costa Rica. Carrier Transicold and the Greener Reefers, an international maritime transport initiative of the Deutsche Gesellschaft für internationale Zusammenarbeit (GIZ) GmbH, have agreed to collaborate to advance cold chain development and training in Costa Rica and South Africa. The Memorandum of Understanding, which was signed at the 2023 UN Climate Change Conference, 28 Colombian pesos, in the United Arab Emirates, focuses on providing training to technicians for refrigerated containers using natural refrigerants, such as carbon dioxide, CO2. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. ebm-papst brings new testing center into regular operation. After a 15-month construction period, Muffingen-based fan specialist ebm-papst has brought its new testing center into operation, centralizing all testing capacities to be carried out at the company's headquarters. The investment of some 8 million euros will mainly benefit product safety and reliability. State-of-the-art testing facilities on 2,500 square meters of floor space are supplemented by an intelligent test specimen monitoring system and enable validation throughout the entire development process and product life cycle. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.